morning, guys and gals. I just wanted to make this video to show you kind of what we're getting started for in week 4. We're going to get into our 1.4 logo creation for the ones that are ready to move on to that. Reminder that working 25 minutes is what I'm expecting. Making sure that we're getting things submitted, I guess, when you get done with them upon completion. Also, if you have things that go wrong, try not to get frustrated. Try to troubleshoot. If you have problems, remember the meet, which is found below here. This layman's meet right here is super helpful. Come in, I can watch your screen. We've had some really good conversations for the ones that have been there. Not always finding out that things work. Sometimes finding out that things don't work. Anyway, today what we're going to do is we're going to go into the 1.4 logo creation. In our assignment here, we have a slideshow. It says start the assignment by filling out the front of the logo creation assignment sheet by looking at the slides below. So down below here, if you click into this, it opens up a slide. You can make a copy or you can print it out and fill it in that way. It doesn't really matter to me either way, but we're just kind of, I guess, going to be looking at this slideshow and learning some things. The objective of the logo creation is you get to think like a graphic designer while creating a logo using the 3 fundamentals of good logos, or the 3 rules of a good logo. You'll be rearranging, resizes, and ordering the existing symbols of your vector document. You should have submitted the symbol assignment in Schoology before editing your document. So before you go on, make sure you did your last assignment. Start by answering these questions in the Google Slides presentation. Or from the Google Slides presentation. So now the next part is you're going to go through, and on here there is the slideshow. So it's going through the slideshow. It talks about what the graphic design is, talks about what graphic designers do, projects they create and make. We're doing a logo. The next thing is talks about what a logo is. It also talks about the 3 things that go into making a good logo, or a logo that people find visually pleasing, ones that have good aesthetics. And then now just kind of going through each one. Simple, meaning that we don't overthink our design. It starts to get busy, turning a layer off, so less is more. Idea. Memorable, to be eye-catching. Once it's viewed, it sticks in your head. Bold designs are designs that use emphasis. Usually have a good way of doing this. And then lastly, once again, making sure it's appropriate. Appropriateness meaning that it fits the idea. Right? Once we get through all this stuff, there's 3 videos here I'd like you guys to watch that kind of take you through and talk about more of the art and the layout, the thoughtfulness of putting these symbols together and rearranging them so they're going in the right spots. My 2 thoughts that I'm having, because I've had to rethink my ideas about how this project's working out. The 2 thoughts that we're going to be doing here is we're going to make one that's a black and white design, and the black and white design is going to be for the laser engraver, because I have a laser engraver in my room, and I can laser engrave key tags out or keychains out for each one of you with your own logo on it. The other part of this assignment is going to be making a logo that you make like a screensaver, or the lock screen for your phone or for your Chromebook. So we're going to do 2 different paths here. One, running the laser, black turning the laser on, white turning the laser off, where it laser engraves wood. And then the other one being where we get to have some color and we make a background for our device. Alright? Hope that kind of helps give an idea about what we're doing there. That can kind of, move you on to the thought pattern if we have more time today, where you go down here and you kind of plan out your logos. Alright? Just kind of bringing your symbols that you already have in your vector space, so things you've already used here. Oh, wait, I have a page. Mine's frozen right now. There we go. And then reorganizing them on this, kind of planning things out. And remember, this is just a rough drawing. It doesn't have to be perfect. Just kind of getting some thoughts to our paper before we go in and start moving things around. Other than that, have a great day. Have a great week. Stop into the meet. Once again, have a good day. See you.